Hi everyone, it's Gianni coming back for another meditation. Thanks for joining me. I'm outside today. There's a little bit of rain earlier, supposed to rain again after. Thought I'd come outside though and do a walking meditation with you. So, take your time right now and put any heaviness that you're carrying, any stress, anything that's weighing you down, any heavy thoughts or emotions, put them down right here. Lay them down beside you. You don't need them. Just feel that release. Come along for a walk with me. Start moving forward down this pathway. And start to recognize how good it feels just to start walking, start moving. That's one of the biggest messages coming through right now. Your guides and angels want you to know is to get moving. Whenever you're feeling low or not yourself, start to move that body of yours. Get that energy moving. Anything at all. Go wash the dishes, do the laundry, go for a walk, go to clean something, anything and everything. Just go out in nature. Stand outside and listen to the beautiful sounds of nature. Shift your surroundings, your environment. Start to look around and pay attention to what's going on around you. And keep moving that body, getting that energy moving, even if it's your head going around, looking at different things. It's important. You don't want to stay stagnant. You want to just observe and enjoy the present moment as you go with the flow. It's all different kinds of meditations. And yeah, it helps to close your eyes and relax. And there's other meditations where it helps to get moving and just enjoy whatever's going on around you and go with the flow of things. Literally start moving with the flow. It will help you. So trust yourself to know what you need. But again, moving is a great way to get that energy going. Putting on some music, put on your favorite song, start to dance, do whatever you need to do to uplift yourself. Very important. You want to shift your energies when you need to. So think about the things that you enjoy and do those. Even start eating something you like. Whatever it is that will give you some kind of relief. Even talking out loud to yourself or to someone else, reaching out. Anything and everything is better than nothing. And then just enjoy your surroundings when you're going for a walk. Look at that sky behind me. Just notice those beautiful colors, beautiful sounds going on all around, birds. Really getting outside changes everything. Sometimes we get stuck in our minds, we're stuck in our emotions, wherever we are. And all it takes is just a shift. Get out of that environment. Shift your thoughts. Shift where you are. Really move where you are. And the energies will be different. The energies will change and they will improve. And slowly but surely you'll start to feel better. So those are the messages coming through today. I'll just keep walking along here. And just become aware of all these messages that came through just from walking. Going for a little walk. Look who we got here. I'm sure you can hear them. Hopefully you can see them. Let's see if you can see them. Oh, they're there off in the distance. Let's see if we can get a closer look. But it's a good reminder, a good message. Just let your body move you, let your spirit move you, let your soul move you. And you find yourself in little situations like this, where you make new friends. Let's give them some space, guys. Help them feel more comfortable. And just listen to their beautiful music that they're singing. Beautiful sound. And just feel your energy already shift. No longer thinking about you, whatever's going on with you or in the world. Just taking time to appreciate what's going on right in front of your eyes here. Being grateful for the many blessings that we have, the many gifts that are all around us all the time. Doing your best to appreciate them. Doing your best to let them in. Allow them in. Let us go a little bit closer, guys. Hopefully they're comfortable with us. And again, it just shows you all it takes is one little walk outside, anywhere. You don't even know where you're going. You'll be led where you need to be. And this is where we need to be today. With her friends. They're just hanging out, enjoying themselves. They want you to do the same. Just to go out and explore, and move, and enjoy, and be, and sing, and play. And let yourself be heard. Listen to those beautiful birds chirping in the background, such beautiful sounds. They really take you away, take all your problems away. Sounds of angels, sounds of nature. But just sit here and listen. And enjoy the sounds of nature. As we say thank you to our friends for showing up. As we say thank you to the birds, for nature, that beautiful sound of nature, wow, glorious. Giving gratitude and thanks. I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this little trip. Got some new friends on the way. Got to connect with nature and shift our energies. So have a wonderful rest of the day, and remember to get moving and Shift your energies. Thanks, everyone.